Example 16C. Semula. Example 16C. Find the following integral by using partial fraction. 6x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 1x squared plus 6. Split to two partial fractions. Since this is degree 1, to get a proper fraction, the numerator must be degree 0 or a constant. This is a quadratic that cannot be factorized. Cannot be factorized. So the numerator must be a linear or a constant. We put bx plus c. Next, we're going to find common denominator. A we time with x squared plus 6 plus bx plus c time with x plus 1, and then equal the numerator both sides. I will start with substitution. Instead, substitution always is easier compared to other method. To find a, I set x plus 1 as 0. It happens when x is equals to negative 1. Therefore, substitute negative 1 on left hand side and right hand side. Plus 0, as negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Evaluate the left hand side. 6 times negative 1 squared is 6 minus 5 plus 6 is equals to 5. Is equal to 7, sorry. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Is equal to negative 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 6 also 7. So 7a, where a is equals to 1. Then to find c, because a is 1, I set x as 0 so that I can cancel bx. So x 0, substitute on left and right. So 6 times 0 squared plus 5 times 0 plus 6 equals to a, substitute a as 1, a is 1, times 0 squared plus 6 plus b times 0 is 0 plus c 0 plus 1 is equals to, this is 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, this is 0 plus 6, 6 times 1 is 6, plus c times 1, that is c, where c is equals to 0. Now we have a is equals to 1, c as 0. Now we are going to find b. To find b, we can substitute any value for x because we already have the value of a and c. Choose a simple value to substitute. For example, we can substitute x as 1. So 6 times 1 on left hand side, 5 times 1 plus 6 is equals to a, substitute a as 1, 1 squared plus 6 plus b times 1 is b, c is 0, 1 plus 1. Now simplify everything. 6 plus 6 plus 5 is 17, equals to 1 plus 6 is 7, plus This is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2b. 17 minus 7 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So b is equals to 5. That's how we obtain the value of a, b, and c. Let us carry on. Substitute a as 1. Divide by x plus 1. Substitute b as 5x. Divide by x squared plus 6 dx is equals to, the integration of 1 over x plus 1 is ln x plus 1. For second integral, do you still remember the form of integral in this form? F prime x divided by fx is equals to ln modulus fx plus c. For this fraction is in the form of f prime over f, but the problem is differentiate x squared is 2x. So what we do, first we pull out 5, then we have 5 times 1x divided by x squared plus 6 dx. We are going to modify this fraction into f prime fx. That means at the top we have to form 2x, as differentiate x squared is 2x. So what we do, we add 2 here, but at the same time we divide by 2, so that 1 over 2 times 2 is always equals to 1. Therefore, this part is equals to ln fx, where fx is x squared plus 6 times 5 over 2. Let's carry on. Is 5 over 2 ln x squared plus 6. If you do not understand this method, we also can solve it by using substitution. Always let fx as u. U is x squared plus 6. Du dx is equals to 2x. So substitute 5. X squared plus 6 is u. What is x dx? Our x dx is equals to half du. Bring 2 to the bottom part. So this is half du is equals to 5 over 2, 5 times half. Integrate 1 over u is ln u, which is equals to ln, substitute u as x squared plus 6. This is the way we solve it by using substitution method.